Good day, folks.
Now you will see how artificial intelligence makes money and trading at a tremendous speed.
Profitability of this tool is from 89 to 95%. This is the MaxBot channel. I will now make 3 trades.
The first transaction, I will start with the currency pair Euro, Canadian dollar. The expiry time is 2 minutes. The amount of entry into the transaction will be $400.
In 2 clicks, I get a signal from the progressive neural network. Recommendation from MaxBot, lower. I entered the market by pressing the red key.
Our team is giving you the opportunity to use 3 signals from the bot for free, after which you will be able to purchase the full version of this tool at a 90% discount and work without limits. There are 10 places left at 90% discount.
Link in the description. After purchase, the bot gives an unlimited number of signals. I can see from historical data that sellers have regularly saturated the market with volume and tried to contain price appreciation.
This led to a smooth reversal of the trend to lower half an hour ago.
Resistance areas are conducive for the price to bounce back down after reaching another local high. I think that the robot predicted these situations and therefore issued a lower signal. Friends, we are running a comment contest on our channel.
You can win $1,000 by performing just a few simple actions that do not require a lot of time.
You just need to watch the video from beginning to end. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give a like to this video. And write 1 comment on the topic of trading under this video. Only 1 comment is accepted from 1 person.
Spam and messages with the message "I want $1,000" are not allowed to participate.
We will choose 1 winner using a randomizer. We will publish the results of the contest once a week in the Telegram channel, which is run by our team. The link is in the description below this video.
There is a lot of useful content that will help you develop skills of a modern trader.
Subscribe soon. And on the price movement chart right now, we can see a favorable situation.
The sideways movement is lower than the entry point and the sellers were really able to seize the moment, and recently they were able to continue the local downward movement. So, there is $364 in the account. Thanks to the robot for the accurate prediction. Now I will work with another currency pair in order to test the robot in various market situations. I will open a trade on the currency pair Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. I am doubling the investment amount. The signal is higher.
In messages with signals, the bot indicates additional information about volatility and the state of the news background.
Now the news has a strong influence on this currency pair, price fluctuations are increased. Now I will try again with the help of historical data to understand the logic of the recommendation from the robot and look at the trends. You can see from the volume indicator that buyers have saturated the market with volume very recently. They have indeed shown high potential. This influenced the global trend. It was moving lower, but when faced with this factor, it went sideways with a higher potential. This situation significantly increases the probability of another price bounce from the support zone and its subsequent growth. Within our 2-minute time frame, this small impulse should be enough for the trade to close in the plus. In my opinion, the robot was thinking along similar lines when it analyzed the situation. Now is the most favorable moment for a higher price for the last 2 hours. Let's wait for the final result and see the accuracy of the bot's signal. By the way, friends, I want to remind you of something I've said many times before. After purchasing the robot, you will get access to an exclusive VIP chat, where our experienced specialists analyze the market. There, our team analyzes various trading situations and shares the latest signals. Right now on the screen you can see feedback from traders who have implemented MaxBot in their trading strategies and multiplied their deposits thanks to the accuracy of predictions from artificial intelligence. Modern technologies are being introduced into our lives faster and faster and simplify many things that used to take us several hours. Therefore, it is always better to be 1 step ahead to act faster than your competitors. That's exactly what the MaxBot robot helps with. So, here comes the second successful transaction. $728 is already in my pocket. It's time to make 1 more transaction to consolidate the success. I will enter the market on the currency pair Euro, Japanese yen. I will double the entry amount again. Now it is $1,600. Once again I ask the neural network to share with me an accurate prediction. The robot gives a higher signal. News is now having a strong impact on this currency pair. Price fluctuations are elevated. The developers have taught the bot such important skills as price action, technical and candlestick analysis, as well as the skills to work with 30 indicators. Now I will look at the historical data again and try to understand the logic of the bot signal.
From the tick volume histogram, we can immediately see the contrast as the bulls began to saturate the market with volume in the past half hour.
Their volumes are green bars on the indicator. As a result, the long downtrend has turned into a sideways movement under the influence of this factor.
In this situation, there is a prospect of price growth, because the bears have wasted their potential so far and are unable to change the trend. I think that the robot thought in a similar way and therefore gave a higher signal.
Besides, it checks all the information with the help of additional analysis tools and has a total experience of artificial intelligence equivalent to 9 years of experience of a professional trader. Yes, working on this structure, together with this neural network, you can become many times richer.
Bot absorbed all 9 years of experience of developers.
And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee with a discount of 90%.
And do not forget that you can get 3 free signals before buying. The link is in the description of this video. The bot will triple your deposit on the first day.
The investment you make in buying it at a discount will pay for itself in the first hours of operation.
And the deal right now is coming to fruition.
The price is moving high above the entry point, which means that the robot's logic and my logic are in agreement.
This prediction is once again accurate. $1,264 has been deposited into the account. Total profit for today's fast trading session, $2,356.
Thank you for watching.
Friends, subscribe to our channel and press the bell not to miss new interesting episodes.
Subscribe to our Telegram channel via the link in the description and enter the contest.
Bye.